Well, today I'm finally going to take the big step. I'm going to open this can of duck stomachs. I didn't have the faintest idea what to do with it. It was waiting there in the kitchen cabinet for months. But then somebody in the Dutch Carnivore Facebook group suggested to combine it with a little bit of bacon. That sounded very nice, so that's what I'm going to try tonight. I took out the bacon and a little bit of beef tallow to grease the pan. So this is going to be basically a big fat bomb, because this is also full of duck fat as well. Some people will tell you that it's likely to cause you a heart attack. Well, I'm not too much afraid of that, but I do fear my digestive system. So we'll find out tomorrow what happens. The ingredients in this one is just duck stomachs and duck fat and a little bit of salt. Depending on how much salt there is, I will be adding my own salt as well. But I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to bake the bacon, add the duck stomachs, and then we're ready to eat. So let me show you how it looks inside the can. It's basically a lot of liquid, and then there are the duck stomachs. Let's take one out. I have no idea what the size of these things are. Apparently this is the size of a duck stomach. They are really small. I'm not sure if this is one piece. It seems to be. They are quite solid. So I actually don't know how long I should bake it. I think it's all right just to warm them up. They don't need to be cooked. Anyway, let's get started. I think actually I should take a small pan just to heat up the stomachs before I combine them with the bacon. So let's just do it like this. Oh, there are a lot of stomachs still here. Now that the duck fat is a bit warmer, it quickly becomes liquid. And I think it will just need another 5 or 10 minutes just to slowly heat up. Bacon is ready. I think I'm just going to add a few here. I didn't look up any recipe, so just makes sense to warm them up and then fry them a little bit to release a bit more of the taste, I'd say. Well, this is about 20 duck stomachs. It's more than enough. Maybe add a little bit of duck fat. Let's have another look. Well, it's almost ready, I think. Let's try. Well, I will wait 1 more minute. I don't think I will add any salt because there is all the bacon in it already. Well, it at least has a smell that I am not familiar with, so that's going to be interesting. Well, let's give it a try. They are really swimming in oil. So this here is like half duck fat and half pork fat. Well, I'm going to try it. So, well, I quickly set up the camera so that the food doesn't get cold. Now I'm curious. Looks very dense inside. It's just really the muscle of the stomach. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that really amazes me. Wow. It has a bit of a fibery texture actually. Very soft. When you press them, you think that they are like rocks. You expect a very tough muscle meat. but when you cut them open, they are really, really tender. And it's very nice, yeah. Well, I usually don't talk that much during food, so let's get some music. Well, I'm almost done. I really liked it. I would recommend it. I didn't check the price of these duck stomachs, but it's really a satisfying meal. Obviously, I'm not going to eat all the rendered fat, so there's a lot of fat in it, but it's all rendered. You don't actually eat it. So in the end, it's a nice balance, I think. I would certainly give it a try. It might be hard to get duck stomachs, but yeah, give it a try and see if you like it.